हेलो एवरीवन। चैप्टर 6 में हम स्पोर्ट्स न्यूट्रिशन, हेल्थ एजुकेशन एंड रिक्रिएशन के 150 क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Which of the following is essential for wear and tear of muscles in the body? A. Vitamins, B. Minerals, C. Proteins, D. Carbohydrates. Right answer is A. Vitamins. Question 2. Which one of the following is not environmental health hazards? A. Earthquakes, B. Tsunami, C. Droughts, D. Biological weapons. Right answer is D. Biological weapons. Question number 3. The factors influence occupational health hazards include A. Ecological, B. Psychological, C. Sociological, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question 4. Kwashiorkor is due to lack of A. Calcium, B. Carbohydrates, C. Proteins, D. Fats. Right answer is C. Proteins. Question 5. The main function of WBC is A. To fight against the infection, B. To transport nutrition, C. To transport oxygen, D. To remove waste products. Right answer is A. To fight against the infection. Question 6. Which disease is also called lockjaw? A. Tetanus, B. Rabies, C. Leprosy, D. Measles. Right answer is A. Tetanus. Question 7. Maintenance of good health depends on which of the following? A. Exercise and rest, B. Diet and nutrition, C. Hygiene and habits, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 8. Which of the following is the richest source of ascorbic acid? A. Amla, B. Guava, C. Lime, D. Tomato. Right answer is B. Guava. Question 9. Milk, butter and ghee provide A. Vitamin B and C, B. Vitamin E and K, C. Vitamin A and B, D. Vitamin A and D. Right answer is D. Vitamin A and D. Question 10. Building block of the body is A. Vitamins, B. Carbohydrates, C. Proteins, D. Minerals. Right answer is C. Proteins. Question 11. Required ratio of carbohydrates, protein and fat in a balanced diet for a body is A. 1:1, B. 3:1:2, C. 4:2:1, D. 4:1:1. Right answer is D. 4:1:1. Question 12. A long distance runner must consume more quantity of A. Fat, B. Protein, C. Minerals, D. Carbohydrates. Right answer is D. Carbohydrates. Question number 13. Health of a person is significantly influenced by A. Routine, B. Lifestyle, C. Attitude, D. Aptitude. Right answer is B. Lifestyle. Question 14. The important nutrient found in fish is A. Omega 3, B. Vitamin K, C. Zinc, D. Copper. Right answer is A. Omega 3. Question 15. For every kg of body weight, the basic energy required per hour is A. 1.3 calories, B. 1.5 calories, C. 1.7 calories, D. 1.9 calories. Right answer is A. 1.3 calories. Question number 16. A communicable disease that hit India in 2009 was A. Cholera, B. Typhoid, C. AIDS, D. H1N1. Right answer is D. H1N1. Question 17. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Infection of the short part around the tooth, contagious disease. B. Infection of the eyes, trachoma. C. A disease that spreads from one organism to another, periodontal infection. D. Infection of throat, nose and eyes, conjunctivitis. Right answer is B. Infection of the eyes, trachoma. Question 18. The number of hours required for carbohydrates loading before competition is A. 3 to 6 hours, B. 6 to 9 hours, C. 9 to 10 hours, D. 1 to 4 hours. Right answer is 9 to 10 hours. Question 19. Obesity is caused due to A. Deficiency of vitamins, B. Deficiency of minerals, C. Excess intake of calories, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Excess intake of calories. Question 20. Power sports athletes generally makes use of diuretics in order to A. Increase blood supply, B. Increase muscle strength, C. Bring down tension, D. Manage lose body weight. Right answer is D. Manage lose body weight. Question 21. Complete combustion of 1 gram of fat in our body yields A. 1.3 calories, B. 4.0 calories, C. 4.3 calories, D. 8.0 calories. Right answer is A. 9.3 calories. Question 22. One of the psychosomatic disorder is A. Diabetes, B. Asthma, C. Cardiovascular disease, D. Tuberculosis. Right answer is A. Diabetes. Question 23. A perfect food known as nutritious is one that A. Satisfies our hunger, B. Contains all nutritious elements of food, C. Has been cooked very well, D. Is easy to digest. Right answer is B. Contains all nutritious elements of food. 24. Ingredients of balanced diet are available in A. Mutton, B. Chicken, C. Fish, D. Milk. Right answer is D. Milk. Question 25. The maximum quantity in the diet of small children should be of A. Minerals, B. Carbohydrates, C. Protein, D. Vitamins. Right answer is C. Protein. Question 26. Vitamin responsible for blood clotting is A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin A. Right answer is C. Vitamin K. Question 27. For strength dominating sports, the diet should be rich in A. Carbohydrates, B. Vitamins, C. Minerals, D. Proteins. Right answer is D, proteins. Question 28. Which of the following improves sports performance without harmful effects? A. Doping, B. Ergogenic, C. Caffeine, D. Nicotine. Right answer is C. Caffeine. Question 29. The normal body temperature is A. 88 degree Fahrenheit, B. 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, C. 72 degree Fahrenheit, D. 89 degree Fahrenheit. Right answer is B. 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Question 30. Preschool stage children need diet rich in A. Proteins, B. Carbohydrates, C. Fats, D. Vitamins. Right answer is A. Proteins. Question 31. Chilblains frost bite and caused due to A. Physical agents, B. Chemical agents, C. Biological agent, D. Mechanical agents. Right answer is C. Biological agents. Question 32. Pyorrhea disease affects A. Skeleton, B. Gums, C. Genitals, D. Brains. Right answer is B. Gums. Question 33. Health education is multidisciplinary in nature and its contents are drawn from A. Biological science, B. Medical science, C. Behavioral science, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question 34. The direct source of energy for muscular contraction is A. Glucose, B. Vitamins, C. Proteins, D. Fats. Right answer is A. Glucose. 35. The condition which must draw first aiders immediate attention on seeing the casualty is A. Swelling of the limb, B. Severe bleeding, C. Shivering, D. Fracture. Right answer is A. Swelling of the limb. Question 36. Which one of the following is man-made health hazard? A. Radioactive radiation, B. Forest fire, C. Landslides, D. Cyclones. Right answer is A. Radioactive radiation. Question 37. Nutrients which help to make cementing materials that hold cells together. A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin A, C. Vitamin B, D. None of these. Right answer is D. None of these. Question 38. Why is it essential for a physical education teacher to have a knowledge of first aid? A. Student does not get injured while playing. B. Student gets immediate remedy. C. Both A and B are true. D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Student gets immediate remedy. Question 39. In order to prevent worsening of the condition of the casualty, the first aider must immediately A. Dress the wound, B. Handle the casualty carefully, C. Give consolation to the casualty, D. Protect the casualty from heat and cold. Right answer is C. Give consolation to the casualty. Question 40. Vitamin B6 is present in A. Egg, B. Orange, C. Milk, D. Liver. Right answer is D. Liver. Question 41. Health is primarily a responsibility of the A. community, B. state, C. individual, D. parents. Right answer is C. individual. 42. From out of the following, name the factor which is journal consider ill health, disease, deformity and injury simply as A. Pollution free environment, B. Result of man's misdeeds, C. Natural calamities, D. Outcome of planetary's influence. Right answer is C. Natural calamities. 43. Who is the author of the book The Complete Guide to Sports Nutrition? A. Bean, B. Colgan, C. Clarks, D. Wilansky and Driscoll. Right answer is A. Bean. 44. Why good nutrition is necessary for good health? A. Postural deformities, B. Development, C. Instant replies, D. Good habits. Right answer is B. Development. 45. The food that we eat yields energy in the form of A. Carbohydrates, B. Heat units called calories, C. Thermal waves, D. Nerve stimulations. Right answer is B. Heat units called calories. 46. Which of the following are chemically known as lipids? A. Fats, B. Candies, C. Sugars, D. Amino acids. Right answer is A. Fats. Question 47. Which of the following is no source of animal fat? A. Egg, B. Meat, C. Almond, D. Milk. Right answer is C. Almond. 48. From out of the following, name the vitamin which is water soluble. A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin E, C. Vitamin B, D. Vitamin K. Right answer is C. Vitamin B. 49. Which of the following vitamins can be obtained from the sun rays also? A. B complex, B. D, C. K, D. A. Right answer is B. Vitamin D. 50. How many calories does 1 gram of carbohydrates provide? A. 4, B. 6, C. 5, D. 7. Right answer is A. 4. 51. Fats not only add to our taste but also protect our A. hairs, B. eyes, C. nails, D. skins. Right answer is A. hair. 52. Which of the following elements is contained only in proteins? A. Carbon, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Oxygen. Right answer is C. Nitrogen. 53. Which one of the following is not a communicable disease? A. Malaria, B. AIDS, C. Smallpox, D. Measles. Right answer is A. Malaria. Question number 54. The first aid treatment given to an exhausted long distance swimmer is A. Artificial breathing, D. Treatment with ice, C. Massage, D. All of the above. Right answer is A. Artificial breathing. 55. A normal body has A. 3 kidneys, B. 1 kidneys, C. 2 kidneys, D. 4 kidneys. Right answer is C. 2 kidneys. 56. What is the manufactured from the iron that we obtain from our diet? A. Blood cells, B. Hemoglobin, C. Bone marrow, D. Protoplasm. Right answer is B. Hemoglobin. 57. A supervisor must possess the following except A. Missionary zeal, B. Commitment, C. Possessiveness, D. Selfishness? Right answer is D. Selfishness. 58. Ultramicroscopic viruses are the main cause of A. Malaria, B. Measles, C. Mumps, D. Chloria. Right answer is A. Malaria. 59. The National Malaria Eradicating Program was launched in India in the year A. 1977, B. 1951, C. 1953, D. 1943. Right answer is B. 1951. 60. Trypsin helps in the digestion of A. Vitamins, B. Fats, C. Proteins, D. Carbohydrates. Right answer is D. Carbohydrates. 61. Food science is the study of A. Nutrients and how the body uses them, B. How foods change chemically through natural processes, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Right answer is C. Both A and B. 62. Poor illumination in industries is caused of A. Physical hazard, B. Chemical hazard, C. Biological hazard, D. Mechanical hazard. Right answer is B. Chemical hazard. 63. Unhealthy eating patterns do not cause A. Anemia, B. AIDS, C. Dental caries, D. Obesity. Right answer is B. AIDS. 64. Which nutrients are essential to growth and repair of muscles and other body tissues? A. Proteins, B. Minerals, C. Roughage, D. Vitamins. Right answer is A. Proteins. 65. The inorganic elements occurring in the body and which are critical to its normal functioning are A. Vitamins, B. Proteins, C. Carbohydrates, D. Minerals. Right answer is D. Minerals. Question 66. An athlete weighing 50 kg who trains for 2 hours required an intake of approximately A. 2410 kilocalories, B. 280 calories, C. 3000 calories, D. 4500 calories. Right answer is A. 2410 calories. 67. Sugar, sweets, bread and cakes are rich source of A. Carbohydrates, B. Fats, C. Protein, D. Roughage. Right answer is A. Carbohydrates. 68. Which of the following is not a source of protein? A. Eggs, B. Meat, C. Oil, D. Milk. Right answer is C. Oil. 69. Osteoporosis disease occurs in A. Nerves, B. Bones, C. Muscles, D. None of these. Right answer is B. Bones. 70. Of the following, the rich source of calcium is A. Milk, B. Nuts, C. Meat, D. Eggs. Right answer is A. Milk. 71. A rich source of vitamin A is A. Citrus fruits, B. Banana, C. Grapefruit, D. Apricot. Right answer is D. Apricot. Question 72. Colostrum is very good as it is rich in protein and dash A. Carbohydrates, B. Minerals, C. Antibodies, D. Vitamins. Right answer is C. Antibodies. 73. Bread, cereals and rich provide with the most of the A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Vitamins, D. Minerals. Right answer is A. Carbohydrates. Question 74. Make correct pairs A. Milk, cheese, yogurt. 1. Carbohydrates. B. Meat, poultry, fish. D. Calcium and nuts. C. Vegetable group. 3. Protein. D. Bread, rice, cereal. 4. Vitamins. A. A2, B4, C3, D1. B. A2, B3, C4, D1. C. A1, B3, C2, D4. D. A1, B4, C3, D2. Right answer is B. A2, B3, C4, D1. (75) All of the following are reason for rapid spread of influenza except a short incubation period, B. large number of subclinical cases, C. short duration of immunity, D. presence of cross immunity. Right answer is D. presence of cross immunity. 76. Nitrogen forms a part of A. proteins, B. vitamins, C. fats, D. carbohydrates. Right answer is A. proteins. Question number 77. Obesity does not causes A. infertility, B. cancer, C. diabetes, D. ischemic heart diseases. Right answer is B. cancer. 78. The source of acid rain: A. nitrous oxide, B. nitric oxide, C. CFCS, D. CO2. Right answer is B. nitric oxide. Question 79. Which of the water pollutant is a source of waterborne diseases like cholera and gastronics? A. animal waste, B. sewage, C. fertilizers, D. mercury. Right answer is B. sewage. 80. Protein builds a muscle tissue, B. nerve tissue, C. bone tissue, D. none of these. Right answer is A. muscle tissue. 81. Exposure to ultraviolet radiation is A. mechanical hazard, B. physical hazard, C. chemical hazard, B. biological hazard. Right answer is A. mechanical hazard. 82. Monosaccharides is a stage of A. carbohydrates, B. proteins, C. vitamins, D. fat. Right answer is A. carbohydrates. 83. Lung cancer is caused due to A. physical agents, B. chemical agents, C. biological agents, D. mechanical agents. Right answer is C. biological agents. 84. Diseases like hypertension, industrial neurosis, peptic ulcer are of A. physical origin, B. chemical origin, C. biological origin, D. psychological origin. 84. D is the right answer, psychological origin. 85. Which form of hepatitis was initially called the serum hepatitis? A. Hepatitis A, B. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, D. Hepatitis D. Right answer is B. Hepatitis B. 86. Which hepatitis virus spread by direct contact? A. Hepatitis A, B. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, D. Hepatitis D. Right answer is A. Hepatitis A. 87. HIV virus caused A. AIDS, B. Hepatitis C, C. Hepatitis B, D. TB. Right answer is A. AIDS. 88. Which of the following foods are produced by involving lactic acid fermentation? A. Beer, B. Yogurt, C. Cheese, D. Vinegar. Right answer is B. Yogurt. 89. Reye syndrome is associated with A. Chloria, B. AIDS, C. Leprosy, D. Chickenpox. Right answer is D. Chickenpox. 90. Which of the following is a disease caused by virus? A. Chloria, B. Tuberculosis, C. Leprosy, D. Chickenpox. Right answer is D. Chickenpox. 91. Which communicable disease is also known as Hassan's disease? A. Hepatitis A, B. Tuberculosis, C. Rabies, D. Leprosy. Right answer is D. Leprosy. 92. Which of the following is a bacterial disease of skin and nervous system? A. Chickenpox, B. Measles, C. Leprosy, D. Tetanus. Right answer is C. Leprosy. 93. Which of the following viral hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination? 1. Hepatitis A, 2. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, 4. Hepatitis E. A. 1 and 2 correct, B. 1, 2 and 3 correct, C. 1 and 2 correct, D. 2, 3 and 4 correct. Right answer is A. 1 and 2 correct. 94. Which of the following diseases is called hydrophobia? A. Tetanus, B. Leprosy, C. Rabies, D. Chickenpox. Right answer is C. Rabies. 95. Which of the following is a viral disease affecting central nervous system? A. Chickenpox, B. Rabies, C. Tetanus, D. Leprosy. Right answer is B. Rabies. 96. Which of the following is the measles vaccine? A. DPT, B. quinine, C. MMR, D. TIG. Right answer is C. MMR. 97. Which disease is transmitted from infected mammals to man? A. Chickenpox, B. Malaria, C. Rabies, D. AIDS. Right answer is B. Malaria. 98. Which of the following disease is caused by mosquitoes? A. Rabies, B. Malaria, C. Chickenpox, D. Tetanus. Right answer is B. Malaria. 99. Fuel used by the body while doing the exercise of severe intensity is A. Carbohydrates, B. Carbohydrates and fat equally, A. Less carbohydrates and more fat, D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. Question 100. Fatty acids are stored in the A. uppermost layer, B. adipose tissues, C. connective tissue, D. None of the above. Right answer is adipose tissue. Question 101. What type of fats are not hazards to health? A. Polyunsaturated. B. Unsaturated. C. Saturated. D. All of the above. Right answer is A. Polyunsaturated. 102. Deficiency of vitamin D causes A. Beriberi, B. Sacre, C. Rictus, D. Night blindness. Right answer is C. Rictus. 103. Faulty bone development among children is caused due to scurvy, B. Rictus, C. Beriberi, D. typhoid. Right answer is B. Rictus. 104. Total number of vitamins required by human body are A10, B11, C12, D13. Right answer is D13. 105. Two types of vitamin D are A. D1 and D2, B. D3 and D4, C. D5 and D6, D. D7 and D8. Right answer is A. D1 and D2. 106. Strawberry tongue followed by raspberry tongue is characteristic of A. Scarlet fever, B. Measles, C. Chickenpox, D. mumps. Right answer is A. Scarlet fever. 107. Who is the author of the book Health Education, Elementary and Middle School Applications? A. Best, B. Barrow, C. Clark, D. Taljon, Simons and Peterman. Right answer is D. Taljon, Simons and Peterman. 108. Which of the following vitamins is responsible for controlling body weight? A. B2, B. B5, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Right answer is D. Vitamin D. 109. Which of the following minerals is responsible for body growth and keeping body healthy? A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin B complex. Right answer is D. Vitamin B complex. 110. Which of the following minerals keeps brain, nails and hair healthy? A. Potassium, B. Sulfur, C. Phosphorus, D. Calcium. Right answer is B. Sulfur. Question number 111. Ascorbic acid is also known as A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin B complex, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin K. Right answer is C. Vitamin C. Question number 112. Proteins form the major part of diet for A. Strength dominating sports, B. Endurance dominating sports, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. Right answer is A. Strength dominating sports. Question number 113. The chief source of vitamin A is A. Egg, B. Banana, C. Guava, D. Carrot. Right answer is A. Egg. Question number 114. Lumbago is also called A. Pain in the head, B. Pain in the abdomen, C. Pain in the low back, D. All of the above. Right answer is C. Pain in the low back. Question number 115. For endurance dominating sports, the diet should be rich in A. Protein, B. Fat, C. Minerals, D. Carbohydrates. Right answer is D. Carbohydrates. 116. Which of the following minerals is represented in abundance of milk? A. Mineral salt, B. Calcium, C. Fat, D. Proteins. Right answer is B. Calcium. 117. Who is the author of the book Nutrition and Wellness? Take charge of your life and body. A. Craig, B. Miller, C. Johnson, D. Hudson. Right answer is D. Hudson. Question number 118. Carbohydrates are more suitable for energy production in the body because A. They have more affinity to oxygen. B. They are more dynamic. C. They are more powerful. D. They have CO2 carrying capacity. Right answer is D. They have CO2 carrying capacity. 119. Which enzyme digests protein? A. Amylase, D. Trypsin, C. Lipase, D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. 120. Which vitamin is easily destroyed by heat and air? A. K, B. C, C. D, D. A. Right answer is D. A. 121. Which of the following vitamin is water soluble? A. C and B complex, B. D and K complex, A. C, A and D complex, D. B1 B5 complex. Right answer is A, C and B complex. 122. Which of the following vitamins is fat soluble? A. B1, B. B5, C, C, D, D. Right answer is D, vitamin D. 123. Which of the following minerals form bones and teeth? A. Calcium and phosphorus, B. Potassium and calcium, C. Sulfur and iron, D. Phosphorus and iron. Right answer is B. Potassium and calcium. 124. Vitamin B is also known as A. Calcium, B. Thiamine, C. Phosphorus, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Thiamine. 125. Essential amino acids. A. Can be synthesized in human body, B. Cannot be synthesized in human body, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Cannot be synthesized in human body. 126. Process by which food is taken by the organism is called as A. Digestion, B. Absorption, C. Assimilation, D. Ingestion. Right answer is D. Ingestions. 127. The process in which absorption is done by the wall of small intestine and then passed to the blood is A. Assimilation, B. Ingestion, C. Digestion, D. Absorption. Right answer is A. Assimilation. 128. Absorption of the fat takes place in A. Mouth, B. Large intestine, C. Small intestine, D. Liver. Right answer is C. Small intestine. 129. Carbohydrates are converted into sugar in the A. Duodenum, B. Large intestine, C. Digestive tract, D. Liver. Right answer is D. Liver. 130. Calcium responsible for regulating the contraction response is present in A. Protoplasm, B. Pancreas, C. Cytoplasm, D. Intestine. Right answer is C. Cytoplasm. 131. Carbohydrates is an important component of diet, especially for sprinters, B. Boxers, C. Long distance runner, D. Chess player. Right answer is C. Long distance runner. 132. Which of the following has a greater food value? A. White eggs, B. Brown eggs, C. Both A and B, D. Duck eggs. Right answer is A. White eggs. 133. Four important minerals and nutrients required in large quantities by the human are A. Phosphorus, calcium, sodium, magnesium. B. Calcium, sodium, potassium and manganese. C. Iron, calcium, sodium, phosphorus. D. Phosphorus, iron, calcium, sodium, magnesium. Right answer is C. Iron, calcium, sodium, phosphorus. 134. Which of the following is the richest source of vitamin C? A. Banana, B. Apple, C. Guava, D. Tomato. Right answer is C. Guava. 135. Necessary basic conditions for good health include A. Proper diet, B. Personal and domestic hygiene, C. Exercise and rest, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 136. Which of the following diseases does not occur due to deficiency of vitamins? A. Night blindness, B. Scurvy, C. Rictus, D. None. Right answer is D. None. 137. Carbohydrates loading mostly helps A. Marathon runner, B. Boxer, C. Sprinter, D. Power lifters. Right answer is A. Marathon runner. 138. Which activity burns the maximum calories? A. Cycling 5.5 miles per hour, B. Squash, C. Running, D. Swimming. Right answer is C. Running. 139. Which of the following enzymes digest fat? A. Trypsin, D. Lipase, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 140. Deficiency of protein result in A. Marasmus, B. Hypertension, C. Anemia, D. Gout. Right answer is B. Hypertension. 141. Sports medicine field does not include A. Nutrition and diet, B. Treatment and prevention of injuries, C. Conditioning and training, D. Grants for sports promotion. Right answer is D. Grants for sports promotion. 142. Renal glands produce A. Adrenaline, B. Renin, C. Pepsin, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Adrenaline. 143. Accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles. A. Improve body efficiency, B. Leads to fatigue, C. Does not have any effect on the body, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Leads to fatigue. 144. Aerobic efficiency can be best improved by A. Speed training, B. Flexibility training, C. Endurance training, D. Balance training. Right answer is C. Endurance training. 145. The last case of smallpox is reported in the world. A. 1978, B. 1977, C. 1879, D 1982. Right answer is B 1977. 146. For complete treatment of the sports injuries, one should depend on A. Physiotherapy only, B. Corrective exercise therapy only, C. Both the above, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both the above. 147. Concentric and eccentric contraction of muscles take place in A. Isometric method, B. Isotonic method, C. Both the above, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Isotonic method. 148. The catabolism represents a series of biochemical reactions leading to release of energy. B. Series of biochemical reactions leads to storage of energy. C. Consumption of energy. D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Series of biochemical reactions leading to release of energy. 149. Creatine phosphate releases energy. A. Directly, B. With the help of glucose, C. With the help of ATP, D. All of the above. Right answer is C. With the help of ATP. Question number 150. The main postural deformity among young girls is A. Kyphosis, B. Lordosis, C. Scoliosis, D. Arousal. Right answer is B. Lordosis. So thank you very much for watching this 150 question of this chapter 6 regarding, that is, sports nutrition, health, education.